Hello everyone, this is Rushikesh Patil. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be going to cover up the complete artificial intelligence stack, in which I will be telling you about what is machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and how they are interrelated with each other. Whenever we start learning AI, the first thing is that we should be aware about all the domains which comes under the AI. So AI is a huge umbrella. So firstly, AI, it stands for artificial intelligence. So let's see what is artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is nothing but a final product which can be developed with the help of machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, natural language processing. We make use of machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, natural language processing so as to make a final product, and that product is known as artificial intelligence. For example, Tesla autopilot car. Such kind of car can be made with the help of advanced deep learning and also with the help of reinforcement learning. Then comes a Sophia, that is a humanoid robot. Alexa, that is also well known for us, which is an artificial intelligence product. Such kind of product can be built with the help of natural language processing. So let us see what is machine learning, what is deep learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and how they are interrelated with each other. So here is ML, which is basically a subdomain of AI. That means if we want to develop a product of AI which can be developed with the help of machine learning. So let us see what comes inside ML. In machine learning, we used to solve the problem statement with the help of mathematical equation. That means whatever the model which is generated with the help of machine learning is nothing but a complex mathematical equation. Such kind of model can be built with the help of various techniques and algorithms which are available in machine learning. In this, there are different kind of algorithms such as regression based algorithm, then decision tree kind of algorithm, then clustering based algorithm, time series based algorithm. Apart from this, there is random forest, in which consists of boosting, bagging, stacking, and many more. Now let's see where does deep learning belongs. So deep learning is a subset of machine learning. So now we are going to see what comes inside deep learning. So deep learning is completely based on neural network. Neural network is nothing but a graph kind of structure. In machine learning, we solve problem statement with the help of mathematical equation. In the same way, in deep learning, we solve the problem statement with the help of neural network. So neural network is basically of three types. The first one is artificial neural network. The second one is convolution neural network. We make use of convolution neural network for solving the computer vision problem statement. Then comes the recurrent neural network. The recurrent neural network is basically used to solve the advanced NLP problem statement. The recurrent neural network has the ability to remember its previous context, so it can also be used so as to solve the time series kind of problem statement. Now we will see what is computer vision and where does it lies under the AI umbrella. The computer vision lies inside of deep learning. It basically deals with image and video kind of problem statement. Suppose if we want to detect something from an image or video, or if we want to keep track on something from an video, at that time we can solve this problem statement with the help of computer vision. So now let's see what comes inside of computer vision. So with the help of computer vision, we can solve the use cases like classification. As I said that computer vision is all about images and video kind of problem statement. So with the help of computer vision, we can solve a use cases of classification. So classification is basically classifying an object. For an example, if we want to classify the images of dog as well as the images of cat, so such kind of use cases can be solved with the help of computer vision. Then comes classification plus localization. Inside this, we used to annotate the classified image with the help of square boxes. This is all about single object. When we talk about multiple object, there comes object detection. In object detection, we can detect various type of object inside an image or in video. In image segmentation, we can annotate the complete edges of the image so that it can sharply classify the image rather than giving a shape like square boxes. For increasing the speed as well as accuracy, there are different type of architecture available in computer vision like LeNet, AlexNet, VGG16, SSD MobileNet and many more. Now we will see what is natural language processing and where does it lies under AI umbrella. Talking about the NLP, it is the most demanding domain inside of AI. It basically requires machine learning as well as the knowledge of deep learning. So now we will going to see what NLP is exactly and what comes inside of NLP. Natural language processing basically comprises of many use cases like sentiment analysis, question answering system, text summarization which is used by InSort app. Natural language processing also consists of various hardcore libraries such as NLTK, which is Natural Language Toolkit, then Spacy, then Stanford NLP, Inflect and many more. It also contains the transfer learning approach. By using that, we can train the model on our custom data. Advanced NLP consists of various types of architecture like encoders and decoder, then transformer, then BERT and different version of BERT. Also it consists of a generative pre-trained transformer, that is GPT, which is trained on nearly 175 billion parameter. So that's all about this video. Thank you for watching this video till end. If you find this video useful, so please click on like button, do share with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't miss to hit on the bell icon so that you will not going to miss my upcoming video. Thank you.